In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change domain names on Wix step by step. This is perfect if you've rebranded your business, bought a new domain, or simply want to update the domain connected to your Wix website. A lot of people think this process is complicated, but Wix actually makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to click. I'll walk you through everything slowly so you don't miss a single step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Log in to your Wix account using the email and password associated with your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your site's settings and subscriptions. From the dashboard, look for the site where you want to change the domain name. Once you're inside that site's dashboard, find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open up all the configuration options for your website. Next, inside the Settings menu, click on Website Settings. This section controls important details about your site, including your site name, general information, and domain-related options. Here, you'll see an option where you can rename your website. This is useful if you want to update the internal name of your site for your own organization. Go ahead and rename it if needed, then save your changes. Keep in mind that this does not change the live domain yet, but it helps keep everything organized in your dashboard. After that, navigate back into Settings once again. From here, look for the option labeled Domains. Click on Domains to open the Domain Management section. In the Domains area, you'll see all the domains currently connected to your Wix site. From here, you can connect a new domain, change your primary domain, or manage existing ones. If you've already purchased a new domain through Wix, you can set it as your primary domain with just a few clicks. If your domain was purchased from another provider, Wix will guide you through connecting it by updating DNS records. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, select the domain you want to use, and set it as your primary domain. Once this is done, Wix will automatically apply the new domain to your website. In some cases, it may take a little time for the changes to fully propagate, but usually it's pretty quick. And that's it. You've successfully changed your domain name on Wix. As always, double-check your site after the change to make sure everything is working correctly and all pages load as expected. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.